Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x to the power of 3, we have 3x squared. This one that is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change by u. S squared dx we change by this one. So number 4 I will put in here. And this one I will put into u to the power of negative number 6. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative number 6 plus 1 over negative number 6 plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one we have negative number 5 and negative number 5. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.